Welcome to Zero Plus channel. Today we want to talk about a good feature in Microsoft Excel. Okay, what is it? It's pivot table. A pivot table is a table of statistics that summarize the data of a more extensive table, such as form a database, a spreadsheet, or business intelligence program. The summary might include sums, average, or other statistics, which the pivot table groups together in a meaningful way. That's good. Pivot tables are a technique in data processing. They arrange and rearrange statistics in order to draw attention to useful information. As you can see, now we have a data sheet, okay, set of data sheet from sales data, okay. Some columns: order data, region, city, category, product, quantity, unit price, and total price. We want to find some meaningful data from these columns and rows. Okay, but before, you must know some benefits and advantages of using pivot table. First, pivot tables are user-friendly, okay, and you can create instant data by using pivot table. Pivot table makes data analysis easier and summarize data easily. Pivot table assists in finding data pattern and create accurate report faster. Okay, now we want to find some meaningful data and summarize it or them by using pivot table. First, go to insert, okay, insert tab. You have pivot table and recommended pivot tables. What is difference? Recommended pivot tables show you some preset and template of pivot table. For example, in our data set, sum of unit price by city, okay, you can see unit price by city: Boston, this; Los Angeles, this. Another template is sum of total price by city: Boston, total price; Los Angeles, total price, okay, and mix of quantity and sum of total by city, okay. You can see sum of quantity and sum of total price by city: East, Boston, New York, sum of quantity and sum of total price. Sum of total price by category and region: bars, cookies, crackers, snacks, okay, or categories, and East, West, okay, region, and total price, okay. Another example of pivot table in or data: sum of unit price by category and region, sum of quantity, and other template for our data. So recommended pivot tables recommend some pivot table, preset pivot table. Now we want to create our custom pivot table. Click pivot table, select a table or range, select table, sales data, and choose where you want the pivot table report to be placed. Now we want to place it in new worksheet, okay, select new worksheet, okay, very good. To build a report, choose fields from the pivot table list. This here. You can See all fields of your data: order data, region, city, category, product, quantity, and unit price and total price. Okay, now drag fields between area blue, columns, filters, row, and values. Okay, first we want create a simple pivot table. We want now total price by order city. Okay, select city for row and total price for value. Now Boston total price, Los Angeles total price, sum of total price for Los Angeles. You can see here a city, Los Angeles total price, Los Angeles total price, Listen total. Okay, you can spread some data from Los Angeles and total price, but you can find summarize of your data in pivot table easily. Los Angeles, sum of total price, this, without any formula. Okay, and now you can change it by quantity. Okay, add another column, sum of quantity, sum of total price. Boston, sum of quantity, sum of total price. Okay, you can add category. Okay, Boston, category bars, cookies, cracker, snack, like this. Sum of total price, sum of quantity, and for bars this, cookies this, cracker this, and you can move category to column. Okay, and change the view of your pivot table easily by drag your specific field to column or row or filter. Okay, you can now you can see cities here and category here, bars, cookies, snackery, from sum of total price, sum of quantity. Okay, very good. Now you can add, you just click this field and select remove field. Okay, and add region, east, and you can add region to column, east, west, east, west. Okay, what is the filter? Now you can filter by east, okay, or west. As you can see, we can create a user-friendly report and summarize data to create report faster. So pivot table is very useful tool in Excel to present your data very fast and or quickly. And next video we want to talk about some issue in pivot table tools. Good luck.